ICSE Mathematics Class 9, Chapter 2, Exercise 2.2, Question 34. A sum of money amounts to rupees 13,230 in 1 year and rupees 13,891.50 in 1.5 years at compound interest, compounded semi-annually. Find sum and rate of interest per annum. Answer 34. Let the sum of money invested be rupees X. Here, क्वेश्चन की थीम यहाँ यह है कि एक सम इन्वेस्ट किया गया है जो एक साल में रुपये 13,230 रुपया कम अमाउंट के रूप में प्राप्त होता है और 1.5 साल में 13,891 रुपया 50 पैसा प्राप्त होता है और यह इंटरेस्ट सेमी एनुअली कंपाउंडेड किया जाता है. फाइंड द सम एंड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पर एनम. इस सम और रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पर एनम को काउंट करना है. लेट द सम ऑफ द मनी इन्वेस्टेड बी एक्स. कल्पना किया कि मनी को एक वर्ष के लिए सम ऑफ द मनी इन्वेस्टेड बी रुपीज एक्स. एक्स रुपया इन्वेस्ट किया जाता है. अमाउंट्स इन 1 ईयर इक्वल टू 2 हाफ ईयर दैट इज रुपीज 13,230. एक वर्ष बराबर 2 हाफ ईयर इक्वल टू रुपये 13,230. दैट इज द अमाउंट इन 1.5 ईयर्स 3 हाफ ईयर इक्वल टू रुपीज 13,891.50. years. According to first condition, x into 1 plus r by 100 to the power 2 equal to 13,230. The equation first. According to second condition, x into 1 plus r by 100 to the power 3 equal to 13,891.50. Equation second. Equation second divided by first, we get 1 plus r by 100 equal to 13,891.50 by 13,230. R by 100 equal to 13,891.50 by 13,230 minus 1. R by 100 is equal to 13,891.50 minus 13,230 upon 13,230. R by 100 is equal to 661.50 upon 13,230. 30,230 R is equal to 661.50 into 100. 13,230 R is equal to 66,150. R is equal to 66,150 upon 13,230 equal to 5. Rate of interest per half year equal to 5% half yearly equal to 10% per annum. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. 13,230 equal to P into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 2. 13,230 equal to P into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. P is equal to 13,230 into 20 into 20 by 21 into 21. P is equal to 12,000. Sum invested is equal to rupees 12,000 and rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum. That's all.